Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video, let us learn and understand about cross-selling. So first we will define what is cross-selling and then we will understand it in detail with some examples. So what is cross-selling? So cross-selling is a technique of selling an additional product to the existing customer. That is, here we sell different products or service to a customer with the primary or the parent product which is purchasing. This is done to increase the sales of the store. Most of the times, cross-selling is confused with the upselling, wherein upselling is actually upgrading the customer's original purchase. So cross-selling involves offering the customer a related product or a service, whereas upselling typically involves trading up to a better version of what is being purchased. So now let us understand what is cross-selling with some simple examples. So in the first example, let us consider that the customer is visiting an electronic shop to buy a laptop. Here in the electronic shop, if the sales associate tries to sell a printer or an external hard disk with a laptop, then this is called as cross-selling. Here the printer or an external hard disk is cross-sold with the parent product which is laptop. So in the second example, let us consider that the customer is visiting an apparel retail store to purchase a formal shirt. So here if the sales associate succeed in selling a trouser or a tie with a shirt, then this is called as a cross-selling. So friends, let us understand this with another one small example. So in this example, let us consider that the customer is visiting the KFC or a McD and he is buying a burger in a KFC. Here, the sales associate may suggest you for a French fries or a Coke with a burger. So this technique or this sales technique is called as cross-selling. That is, selling of Coke or a French fries with a burger is called as cross-selling. So now that we have understood what is cross-selling with some simple examples, now let us understand what are the best cross-selling practices. Always recommend a correct or a right product when you are cross-selling. For example, nowadays most of the mobiles don't carry a charger inside the box. Here you can suggest a charger with the mobile when the customer is purchasing a mobile. Here mobile is the primary product and the cross-sold product is a charger. That means you are providing some value for the customer. The second technique is always bundle related products so that the customer doesn't need to look for the necessary components or the accessories. For example, bundling of memory card, tripod and a carry case when the customer is purchasing a DSLR camera makes a sense. Here we have to note one important thing, that is, we should always demonstrate how the additional product or a cross-sold product works with the primary product which is being purchased by the customer. So friends, with these techniques, I hope the concept of cross-selling is clear to you guys. So friends, if you have liked this video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more such updates in the future. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.